In this video you will learn how to fix no DP signal on the Dell monitor. Check the DisplayPort connection cable. Make sure the DisplayPort or DP cable is securely connected to both your Dell monitor and your PC graphics card. Try unplugging and reconnecting at both ends if it doesn't work. Select the correct input source. Press the input source button on your Dell monitor and ensure the DisplayPort is correctly inserted into the HDMI or VGA. Restart your PC and monitor, both. Turn off both your monitor and computer, unplug them for 30 seconds, then reconnect them and power them will refresh the signal connection. Inspect the DisplayPort cable and the port. Check the bent pins, dust or damage on the cable or port. If possible, test with a different DP cable or to rule out software faults. Update or reinstall graphics drivers. Open Device Manager, then Display Adapters. Right click on your GPU and select Software Update. Restart your PC once the update completes of your drivers. Reset and monitor settings. Go to your monitor on-screen display or OSD menu. Find the factory reset and confirm and restore it to default display settings. Now you know how to fix no DP signal on Dell monitor. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.